Your bedroom should be your sanctuary, but clutter and poor arrangement can drain your energy. Instead of waking up refreshed, you might feel tired or disconnected from your partner. In this video, I'll reveal the most common Feng Shui mistakes in bedrooms and how to fix them for better sleep and stronger relationships. The space under your bed is crucial in Feng Shui. Storing items there, especially bulky or sharp objects, blocks the flow of qi and disrupts restful sleep. Clutter beneath you can lead to restless nights and uneasy dreams. If you must use the space, stick to soft items like blankets or pillows. But the best option is to keep it clear for unobstructed energy flow. Give yourself the gift of a clean, open space beneath your bed. You'll notice a real difference in your rest and well-being. Try it tonight and see how you feel. Bed placement is key in Feng Shui. Avoid putting your bed against a bathroom wall, under a window, or directly in line with the door. These positions can make you feel vulnerable or restless. The ideal spot is the command position, a solid wall behind you, with a clear view of the door but not directly in line with it. This setup offers support, security, and a sense of control. Small changes in bed placement can transform your sleep quality. Try moving your bed and notice the shift in your energy. Your rest is worth it. Bringing devices into the bedroom disrupts your sleep and energy. Blue light from screens interferes with your natural sleep cycle. Electronics also create a subtle energy of stress and stimulation. Make your bedroom a tech-free zone. Remove or unplug devices at night. Use a traditional alarm clock instead of your phone. A tech-free space leads to deeper, more peaceful sleep. Mirrors can amplify energy, but in the bedroom, they need careful placement. A mirror facing your bed can disrupt sleep and even relationships. Reflections at night can startle you awake or amplify worries. Position mirrors so they don't reflect the bed. If you can't move them, cover them at night with a scarf or tapestry. Protect your rest by managing mirror placement. Harsh colors and sharp decor can agitate your senses and disrupt qi. Choose calming colors like soft blues, greens and neutrals for your bedroom. Opt for soft textures, rounded edges, and natural materials. Avoid bright reds and oranges, which are too energizing for sleep spaces. Add elements of nature, plants, flowers, or gentle water features for harmony. Your decor should invite peace and relaxation. For better sleep and peace, start with your bedroom. Simple Feng Shui changes can transform your space into a haven of rest. Small adjustments make a big difference. Subscribe for more Feng Shui tips. When your bedroom supports you, your life restores itself.